Federal Register. Federal Register Act was enacted in July 26, 1935. Federal Register Act is codified in Title 44, Chapter 15 of United States Code annotated USCA. It provides for a daily Federal Register to publish executive agency regulations and notices presidential documents. The Act was amended in 1937 to create Code of Federal Regulations, which arranges regulations by government agency. Publications in the Federal Register. It provides a official notice of a regulation existence, contents and legal effects. Establishes the Federal Register true copy of original signed document. Shows how and why the Code of Federal Regulations will be amended. Federal Register. It publishes every weekday except for federal holidays. All daily issues constitute a single volume throughout the year. A single issue contains about 300 pages. Annual volume of Federal Register can exceed 60,000 pages. Contents are required to be judicially noticed by 44 USCA 1507. In each issue of Federal Register, Table of Contents, CFR Parts, Affected Section, Presidential Proclamations, Executive Orders, Reorganization Plans, and Administrative Orders, Agency Final Rules, Proposed Rules, Notices and Meetings, Reader Aids. Order of material in each issue of Federal Register. Presidential documents, rules and regulations, proposed rules and regulations, notices and meetings. Presidential documents published in Federal Register. Executive orders must be published in Federal Register. Proclamations must be published in Federal Register. Administrative orders and miscellaneous document publications is optional. Reader aids. Section is located at back of each daily Federal Register issue in print. Contains information on recent regulatory activity and news law. Federal Register issues. Indexes issued in quarterly, annually cumulative issue. Central Index System CIS. Print index. Finding documents in Federal Register database on Westlaw. Use a find request when you know issue and page number of a Federal Register document. Westlaw searches in Federal Register database, natural language, terms and connectors field. Westlaw coverages in Federal Register begins with July 1980. Please like, share and subscribe.